All right, everybody, welcome back for another deep dive.
Yeah,
You guys sent in a ton of really interesting articles this week.
lots of buzz.
Yeah, there's definitely lots of buzz around this one.
Definitely.
It's all about Dogecoin.
Wow.
So we're going to do a deep dive into Dogecoin and specifically looking at the question,
Okay.
could Dogecoin hit $5 by 2025?
$5, huh?
That's what some of these articles are saying.
Interesting.
Yeah, so we'll take a look at some of the price predictions, some of the technical analysis stuff,
Cool.
some of the reasons why people are so bullish on Dogecoin, and we'll even look at how its price action might be connected to XRP. So,
That's a new one.
yeah, that was a new one for me too.
Yeah.
But let's jump right in.
Okay.
So, yeah, some analysts are saying Dogecoin could hit $3, even $5 by 2025,
Wow.
which is a massive jump
Yeah, that's a big jump.
from where it is now.
Huge.
So what's making them so bullish?
Well, the crypto market, it really thrives on things like momentum and speculation.
Yeah.
And Dogecoin has got a really powerful community behind it.
It really does.
You can't ignore that.
Definitely not.
But let's look at some of the technical indicators.
Okay, yeah, let's get into the nitty-gritty.
Okay, so the 50-day moving average,
Right.
that's sitting comfortably above 44 cents right now.
Okay.
Now, what gets interesting
Yeah.
is that the 50-day moving average, it recently crossed over
Uh-huh.
the 200-day moving average.
Right.
And historically, when you see this kind of crossover,
Yeah.
that can be a sign that a really strong upward trend is about to start.
I see.
And remember that the 200-day moving average,
Yeah.
that itself is holding strong around 15 cents,
Okay.
showing long-term support.
Gotcha. So we've got some short-term indicators
Right.
and long-term indicators all kind of pointing in the same direction.
Yeah, exactly. It's not just hype. There's some actual data
Yeah.
backing up this optimism.
I like it.
Yeah.
Okay, so then there's also this thing about higher lows.
Ah, yes, the higher lows.
So can you explain what that means for people who might not be familiar with that?
Sure. So this pattern, it's not just about numbers on a chart.
Right.
It reflects growing confidence
Uh-huh.
among investors. So each dip that we see in the price,
Yeah.
it's met with buyers who are eager to jump in at prices that are higher than before.
Interesting.
So it's almost like they're saying, okay, this dip, this is just a temporary blip.
Right.
We're still really bullish on Dogecoin.
We're in it for the long haul.
Exactly.
Gotcha. Okay, well, that makes sense.
Yeah.
But then there's this whole other angle
Okay.
that really caught my eye when I was reading these articles.
Okay.
And that's the comparison to XRP,
Mm.
which sounds kind of crazy,
Yeah, a little bit out there.
a little bit out there. But these articles are suggesting
Yeah.
that Dogecoin's price action right now is mirroring what happened with XRP before it had that massive surge.
Oh, wow.
So is that just a coincidence?
I mean, it's a really interesting theory. Some analysts, they believe that investors who made a lot of money
Yeah.
from XRP going up,
Right.
they're looking for the next big crypto
Okay.
to jump into. And they see Dogecoin with this strong community
Right.
and all this media attention.
Yeah, it's definitely getting a lot of attention.
It's getting a lot of attention. And so they see it as a prime candidate.
Okay.
And if XRP's upward trend slows down, it's totally possible that those investors,
Yeah.
they might shift their focus and their money over to Dogecoin.
Interesting.
And that could really fuel its price even further.
Okay, so money flowing out of one and into the other.
Potentially, yeah, it's definitely something to watch.
So that's something to watch for sure.
Yeah, yeah.
There was one analyst who was quoted in one of these articles
Okay.
who predicted that reaching $5 could be easy for Dogecoin.
Easy. Huh.
And I'll be honest, when I read that, I was like, hold on, easy.
Right.
Is that a bit of a stretch?
Yeah, you got to be careful with those predictions.
Yeah.
Because nothing in the crypto world is ever a sure thing.
Right? What that analyst probably meant is that the conditions are there.
Okay.
You know, they're looking good
Yeah.
for a potential surge to happen.
Gotcha.
So if Dogecoin can break out of this consolidation phase it's in right now,
Yeah, okay.
kind of think of it like a coiled spring
Uh-huh.
gathering energy
Okay.
for a big jump. And if the overall market remains favorable,
Right.
then
Yeah.
a significant price increase is definitely possible.
It's on the table.
It's on the table.
So basically, Dogecoin needs to break free from this sort of sideways movement that it's been stuck in.
Yeah, I got
And
it.
then ride the wave of a positive market trend.
You got it.
All right, I'm with you.
Yeah.
But let's not get ahead of ourselves with
Right.
all this optimism.
Yeah.
Because every opportunity also comes with risks.
Of course, every investment has risks.
Definitely.
You have to go in with your eyes wide open.
Absolutely. So what are some of the potential downsides here?
Well, even with all these positive signs that we're seeing,
Yeah.
Dogecoin is still subject to the volatility.
Of the crypto market as a whole.
It's a wild ride
Oh, yeah.
out there.
I mean, a single tweet, a change in regulations, or just even shifting sentiment.
Yeah.
You know what people are feeling.
Fear and greed.
Yeah, exactly. Any of that can send prices tumbling down.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So I think the message for our listeners is clear.
Yeah,
Do your research.
for sure.
Don't let FOMO, the fear of missing out,
Right.
cloud your judgment.
You got to think clearly.
Make informed decisions.
Absolutely.
So any final thoughts for someone who's considering maybe dipping their toes into the Dogecoin waters?
Yeah, I would say look beyond the meme.
Okay.
Yes, Dogecoin, it started as a joke,
It did.
but it's evolved into something a lot bigger than that.
Right.
You know, it has this passionate community, increasing adoption.
Definitely.
We're seeing some really intriguing technical indicators.
Yeah.
But you got to remember, crypto is a high-risk, high-reward game.
Absolutely.
So never invest more than you can afford to lose.
Right.
And make sure you understand the technology.
The potential risks before you jump in and make any decisions.
Couldn't have said it better myself. I think it's so fascinating to see how Dogecoin has gone from this meme to this potential investment opportunity.
It's quite a journey.
Yeah. Could it actually become more than just a passing fad? That's really for you, the listener, to decide.
Yeah. Think it over.
Keep learning
Stay informed.
and make smart choices out there.
Absolutely.
We'll catch you in the next deep dive.
See ya. Bye.